Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to translate PDF in Adobe Express. Now, in order for us to get this done, the first thing that we're going to do is upload our documents. I'm going to click this plus sign right here, click Upload Media, and then I'm going to locate that particular document. So I'm going to head over to Sample Images, and then from here, locate. So I'm going to use the story right here, click Open, and we're just going to wait for this to be done. Now that I'm here, the first thing that I'm going to do is basically just click this edit page right here. And then you have the translate button. So I'm going to click this one right here. And you can see that it's automatically selecting everything. And then click or ensure that you check translate all pages. And then from here, you're going to select the language that you're going to translate to. So I'm going to head over for Korean and then click the translate button right here and wait for this to be done. All right, and yeah, from here, now you are seeing this thing. So this is in English, and then here are the other documents in Korean. So yeah, that's basically how you're going to get this done. The next thing that you will have to do from here is basically just try to select all the Koreans and then just export this one. If there are any changes that you think, make sure you do that one, such as font, sizes, formatting, or whatever it may be. Again, everybody, that's how you're going to do it. I hope this video helps you out.